Right now, this is how you find one of Britain's deadliest cancers.
Close. Open.
Esophageal cancer kills 21 people a day because it's so difficult to spot. Using a camera with a normal white light on the end, the doctor's looking at the dark red patch. It's a condition called Barrett's esophagus. Not dangerous in itself, but it can contain cells that turn cancerous, if you can find them.
Early cancer appears as reddened mucosa, but because we are looking at the contrast between red and red, this might be very difficult to appreciate.
So colour is a problem, and colour's also a solution. These physicists already used different coloured lasers to study electrons. Now they're adapting the technique to look for early signs of disease. The current camera looks down the throat using white light, and that makes it quite hard to spot the cancer. The new camera is going to look using different coloured lights, and if they get the right colour, it should make the potentially cancerous cells glow.
What happens as the tissue becomes cancerous is that you get a change in the chemical composition, and different chemicals have different colours, which means that if we look at the cancer with a technique that allows us to capture information from all of the different colours of light that are being reflected, we can get a fuller picture of the disease state that's present.
And this is how it might look. The ideas come from a Cancer Research UK programme across the city, where scientists, engineers and medics are joining forces to find cancer early.
Most of our patients present late, and for esophageal cancer, as an example, 2/3 of our patients will present with a cancer that's already spreading to the lymph glands, and then after that it can go to distant organs like the liver. If we treat a cancer at the point at which it's still within the tissue itself of the esophagus and it hasn't spread anywhere at all, then we can remove it all and cure it.
And that's exactly what happened to Jackie. They caught her disease in time, and now she's fine.
I knew there was something wrong. People shouldn't have heartburn for 20 odd years. Well, actually it was 30 odd years. So, yes, you've got to be diagnosed early, because when you're diagnosed early, they can do something about it.
All done.
They'll start trialling the new camera on patients in the next few weeks. If successful, it could also be used to spot other cancers before they become fatal. Richard Westcott, BBC Look East, Cambridge.